Got some light rain coming down. I'm on my way home from a daily grind. And there's some very light rain coming down. It's like a very light drizzle, almost like a mist, really. But I thought, maybe this would be an interesting change of pace, because I started sneezing on the way here, and it didn't show any signs of stopping, so I knew it was good YouTube material. It's teasing me a little bit, but it's because even in the rain, sometimes the rain breaks up the pollen particles and makes them easier to inhale, so you get like this. It's definitely not going to stop. I definitely need to sneeze. Achoo! So yeah, I'm sitting here on a bench. Found a nice little bench. And clearly the meds must be wearing off. I was still pretty sneezy today for most of the day. But you would think the rain would help, but it doesn't always. It doesn't always help. Sometimes it could actually make the pollen worse, believe it or not. It kind of depends, you know. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it can make the allergies a little worse. Sitting here with holding the phone in my lap and an umbrella in my other hand. And it's pretty funny. Luckily it's a nice secluded area. There's not really any people out here. That's you. That's you. That felt good. Damn, that felt good. That was a nice one. That felt really good. So yeah, just sneezing in the rain. I'm sneezing in the rain. Just sneezing in the rain. That's you. What a glorious feeling. And I'm happy again. Sorry, I don't remember the rest of the lyrics to that song off the top of my head. But I just felt like it would be a cute thing to add in the moment. That's you. Wow. Yeah, it definitely must be breaking up the pollen a little, because oh man. Every time I breathe through my nose. Achoo! That happens. Achoo! Achoo! Oh my goodness. Achoo! It's very hard to do this without my phone falling off my lap. But I'm doing a pretty good job so far. So far. Phew. Oh my goodness. Hanging in there, guys. Hanging in there. Haven't dropped my phone or my umbrella yet. Oh my god. Whew. So strong, and I'm just trying to keep my posture the way it is. This is very difficult. Achoo! Achoo! Oh my god. Achoo! Oh. Holy cannolis. Oh. Yes. Achoo! Oh my goodness. Achoo! Oh, those are wet. Whew, those are wet sneezes. Achoo! Oh boy. Achoo! Achoo! Wow. Achoo! Achoo! Okay, I think I'm gonna stop there before I drop my phone. Oh, bless me. Oh.